Okay, we've now seen that food absorption or absorption of nutrients takes place in the small intestines. The small intestine is very long, so it gives more room for digestion and absorption. Now, the structures on the surface of the small intestines are called villi. These villi help increase the surface area of the small intestine for absorption. Now, let's see the exact procedure of absorption. Absorption is done mainly by diffusion. After digestion, the concentration of food nutrients in the small intestine will be higher than in the bloodstream. Therefore, the high particles will move from high concentrated area to a low concentrated area. So, as the concentration of food molecules is high in the small intestines, the food molecules will just move across the walls of the small intestine and then into the blood vessels. Now, at other times, the concentration of food nutrients in the stomach would be lower than the concentration of food nutrients in the blood. Therefore, particles will be moving against the concentration gradient. So inside the intestine, if the concentration is lower than inside the blood, the particles will be moving from a low area to a high area. It's just like climbing a hill with a bicycle. If you are climbing the hill, you are going to feel much tired. You're going to use much energy. Therefore, in the second type of transport, where particles move against the concentration gradient, energy is required. Epithelial cells contain mitochondria, and they provide energy for absorption against the concentration gradient. Also, for water absorption, the small intestines absorb about between 5 and 10 liters of water each day. Between 5 and 10 liters of water is absorbed by the small intestines. The colon, which is part of the large intestine, absorbs 0.3 to half a liter per day, whilst the small intestine is doing between 5 and 10 liters. The large intestines are only doing 0.3 to 0.5 liters per day.